Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you are doing well. I am Jenny and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. Yes, I'm back with another empties review video. So I have few of the skincare and hair care empties with me right in front of me. So let's see which is a hit or a miss or all of these are hits. Yeah, let's get into the video without any further delay. The first product is a salicylic acid face wash which I recently emptied and it is from the Dermaco. It's a salicylamide anti-acne face wash. So this face wash has 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide in it. So it's great for beginners as well. And if you have oily acne prone skin like me or even just an acne prone skin like me, this is so suitable. Especially this has become a staple in my current PM routine. I and my brother have been using it and we have emptied almost 3 tubes now, and that much say it is so good. It's a complete hit from my side, so this would get a 10 on 10. So the next is a moisturizer that I recently emptied and it's from Wish Care. Can you see the state of this moisturizer? So this is their barrier bounce moisturizer. This has some amazing ingredients like ceramides, cholesterol, lipids, EGF and mung bean in it. This is a beautiful ceramide moisturizer that works so well on any skin type. It is so good. The texture is so perfect that it is great for all skin types. Even if you have oily skin like me, it's gonna be so suitable for you. I really love how beautifully it just moisturizes my skin so well. It doesn't feel too heavy or greasy. It's very lightweight and I absolutely love this one, and this would be definitely a restock. Yes, it's a quite a hit for me and I would give it a 9 on 10. The next skincare product is a serum from Juicy Chemistry. So if you're into chemical exfoliation and if you're looking for a good exfoliating serum, then I have a choice for you, and this is their 5% lactic acid and 3% flower acid serum. So this serum is great if you have uneven skin tone, rough and dull skin, because it on consistent usage it helps to brighten up your skin, cleanse your pores, smoothen out, and it helps with textured skin so well, and also evens out your skin tone on consistent usage. So this is like a very good exfoliating serum. It's very lightweight, totally watery formula, and it's just so good. I have the mini bottle. I've completed 2 minis. After that I could see a good effect on my skin, so it looks super good. If you have dull rough skin, do check this out and thank me later. This is gonna be so good. Even if you're beginners, you can definitely try it out, but patch test before use. So this is again a hit. This would get a complete 10 on 10. Next is a body care product that I really love, and it's from Foxtail. So this is their exfoliating body wash. It's in complete empty, such a huge bottle. It does take some time to empty thoroughly. So this, oh my god, again this has been a hit for me. It's just so good. It has 2% salicylic acid and zinc PCA in it. It's again very good for rough body skin, and if you have body acne or textured skin, this is going to be so helpful. So after using this, my skin feels so fresh, clean and smooth. It is really good. It also smells quite so well. It's very subtle. Even if you have sensitive nose or sensitive skin, this fragrance is not gonna be overwhelming. So it's completely a hit, a 10 on 10 and a restock for me. Next, we have two hair care products. So first is a hair mask. This is from Dove. It's their peptide bond strength hair strengthening treatment mask. So this is like almost 99% empty, and there's just only quite a bit for showing you a texture. So this has a very creamy texture along with some golden beads or pearls in it. So this, oh my god, the fragrance is absolutely so good. Even after washing off my hair, the smell slightly lingers, not too much, very subtle and slightly for a day. So this is like a very nourishing hair mask, and if you love and if you do too much of heat styling, this is the hair mask that you need, because it just nourishes each your hairs. It just nourishes your hair strands so well, keep it smooth, soft and shiny. I really love this hair mask, especially as a pre-shampoo treatment for my hair lengths. As I always do heat styling, this helps to keep my hair healthy, tame and manageable. This is so good. Again, this would get a 9 on 10, and yes, it's a hit from my end. The last product is a conditioner. So this is Pantene's Miracle Rescue Bond Repair Conditioner. This is like a recently launched conditioner that I really love. It has a beautiful creamy texture along with some pearls. Not almost similar like this. There are difference between the texture between these two. So this is an empty. I've also now recently purchased another version of their Miracle Rescue conditioner. So I thought of just, okay, let's try both of these and review and compare both which is for whom and how it performs and which is better. So speaking about this particular product, it has a very good slip on your hair. You can just apply it on your wet hair post shampooing. Just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, and then you can wash it off. You will get that beautiful soft shiny hair. It is super manageable and it's just so good for the price you pay. The quantity is huge and I really love the performance of it. So this again would get a 9.5 on 10 and it's a hit from my end. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Styleful with Jenny, and if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product links along with the names in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And there's some amazing discounts at Amazon because of their Prime Day deal, and it's available at very limited time. Up to 70% offer is available, so you can definitely check it out. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.